Hello, this is Dr. Rode from Mobilant. I'm here to show you how to use a multimeter to measure the voltage between battery cells during battery production or in a series connection. First, set your multimeter to the DC voltage mode. Using the balance connector, you can easily measure the voltage between the cells. By checking the left side voltage, you can verify if the battery pack balance cables are connected correctly. After assembling the battery pack, if the voltage exceeds 4.2 volts or no reading is detected, you should double-check the connection order of the balance connector cables. Be cautious of short circuits due to the tight spacing of the connectors. I recommend using a magnifying glass or a magnifier when conducting tests. If there is a voltage difference of more than 0.07 to 0.1 volts between cells in a fully charged battery pack or used batteries, it indicates possible aging or cell issues. Although it involves some calculations, you can use this method to test new battery packs. Start from cell block 1 and add up the measured battery voltages as a reference. Lithium-ion batteries should not exceed 4.2 volts when fully charged. If no voltage is measured during the test or it exceeds 4.2 volts, recheck the connection order. This testing method prevents contact between the lead bars and ensures a safe examination of new battery packs. Did the video help you? Subscribing and liking the video greatly supports our content creation. Please also check out our electric bicycle books. Thank you for watching. This was Mobilant.